Alright everybody, here's my Taurus G2C. I got it in a gun and flower holster. A little bit modified. Paddle holster. So, make sure this is good. It's all good. Empty. So this gun and flower holster came regular. All I did was modify a little bit of the top right there. It's kind of, you can see right there where I modified it a little bit. Just cut a little bit in right here, a little bit off the top, all the way around. So yeah, with the optic on there, right in there, even with the little movement, it won't touch. Gun and flower paddle holster right there for the G2C. Put that to the side. So I have the Crimson Trace 1550 3MO red dot mounted on the Galloway Precision optic mount. I chose the red. They have red and black. Slides in there. Perfect when you take off the old sight. There's one screw in there. Screw it down and put a little bit of Loctite underneath it, just in case. Put a little bit of Loctite on these right here. I had to make a little modification underneath this sight because there's little circles that sit on these half moon, two half moons, one on each side right here in the front. I had to modify it a little bit, cut a little bit back so I could slide it up so the screws would sit in there with this plate. So that's a Crimson Trace 1550 optic 3MO. Okay. I also wearing gloves, it's a little bit. Take this off. I upgraded with the Galloway Precision stainless steel recoil spring. I also upgraded the firing pin sleeve. I don't know if you can see it in there, but I don't have the red plastic one no more. Upgraded there, upgraded here, colored in the G2C white. And the last thing is Keep Tinkering's trigger. This guy has the best customer service I've ever come in contact with. This is the third trigger I've gotten from him. Every time I ask him a question, he replies. And he replies with an answer. That guy has helped me so much. I really appreciate you, Keep Tinkering, for helping me out with this. It was the last piece that I needed or wanted for the upgrades on my G2C. Look at that right there. That break. Single action, the one I got. It's that quick tap. You can refire again. I'm talking about minimal tap. Look at that. Like butter. I also got the traction grips. from Traction Grips USA. Those fit pretty good, man. Heated it up a little bit with the heating gun. The reason I got this one is because this comes all the way up, and a lot of them I saw, they started down here, but they only came up to about right here. And when my hands get cold or it's cold outside, your hand tends to slide on this back grip a little bit. You don't get that grip that you're looking for, really. But these traction grips all the way up here, it also came with the grip tape for the magazines. These are the 12 round factory Taurus magazines. 2 grips for the magazines came in the package also. Great work there, man. Traction Grips. This Crimson Trace, I sighted it in the other day. Man, this thing, you put that dot on something and you're hitting it. Really like the work by Galloway Precision also. Their plate, recoil spring, and firing pin sleeve. So that's my G2C right there. Fully upgraded. I'm not going to be doing much more with it. Got the bone. Keep tinkering. It's got a lot of different triggers that you can choose from. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped anybody out there. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Thank you.